Hello, my name is Ksenia, and I just created a code for a web page that I'm going to use as my dream page.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you open and show us how the web page look like?
This page says, "Hello human, before you can enter this web page, remember that this can't be used as stalking information because I'm concerned."
Okay.
Here's my web page.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Great.
And of course,
All right, that's cool. Great. Great, that's good. All right, Casina, that's good. I'm gonna stop the recording. I just got recorded your competition web page and your code as well, and the CSS, this one as well. Great work. Thank you for submitting the competition project.